Good evening, YouTubers. So, well, there's some pretty bad news. For those of you who, who use Linux Mint, if you weren't aware of it by now, and perhaps a lot of you are, but I'm doing this as a bit of a service to you, the linuxmint.com website was hacked recently with links to the Linux Mint 17.3 Cinnamon ISO pointing to incorrect locations on the web, thereby delivering to the unsuspecting end user, a modified ISO that had allegedly an IRC distributed denial of service Trojan. So you can see here I'm at blog.linux.com /p=299 and we can see here that Clem has put up the details of what happened, and you cannot if you downloaded Linux Mint on February the 20th, and I would be very careful because we are worldwide here, we're not just talking about Australia or France or the United States. If you downloaded it on or around February 20th, you need to verify the signatures as per Clem's advice below. The thing about it is they are using MD5. MD5 is not recommended for these purposes these days because you can carefully craft an MD5 to have what they call a collision. A collision occurs when what should be a unique hash of a particular file can be replicated with a completely different file using the same hashing algorithm. That happens with MD5, and these days we tend to use SHA-1 or SHA-256. But in this case, Clem has advised to use the MD5 sum signature to check the following images if you downloaded them. Okay, you'll notice also that if you try and go to say I'm at blog.linuxmint.com, but if I go and type linuxmint.com, we go nowhere quick fast. Also, if I go to google.com and I type Linux Mint, okay, obviously there's the news there that you can see, so you'd have to be blind Freddy not to see it, but if you try and click on the main page, you're going nowhere quickly. So I guess that begs the question of how are you going to get some good ISOs if you really need to use Linux Mint 17.3 Cinnamon Edition. I'm going to show you how. I'm going to show you using my ISP's mirror. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to go mirror. Now, one of the greatest ones that I know of as far as mirrors are concerned is mirror.aarnet.edu.au. I always have a bit of a look in there, have a bit of a play. Also, I'm going to Internode. Now, I'm with Internode, and they have Linux Mint here, and we can go stable, and we can go 17.3. Okay, and not only do we have the ISOs here, and they were uploaded, as you can see, we have the dates when they were uploaded and made available, but we also have the MD5 sum, the SHA-256 sum, and we also have a GPG file that you can verify using GPG, or PGP more accurately, the PGP algorithm or set of algorithms to determine whether you are actually downloading a legitimate Linux Mint 17.3 Cinnamon Edition ISO. So just to wrap up, there's been a hack on the Linux Mint website. There were links pointing to the wrong location somewhere else in the web. Compromised ISOs were delivered to users. As a result, you could be vulnerable if you had downloaded it on or around February the 20th. Just remembering too, we are international. You may have downloaded one. It could be vulnerable. Use Clem's advice to check it, but also, as I say to you, you can use your ISP's editions, checking the dates that they were obtained, and also using the MD5 sums and verifying that against this Linux Mint blog. Do not even try to go to linuxmint.com at the moment. It's useless to us at the moment, and don't even try going through google.com to do it. That's pretty much a summary of what's going on. It's a bit of a service announcement for you guys. Anyway, that'll be it for tonight. I might have another video up. We'll see how we go, but yeah, that's about it. Just remember, stay safe, guys. Bye.